Hello and welcome to the introduction to connecting Honeywell devices with the Safety Communicator app, available on either Apple iOS or Android ecosystems. So firstly, we open up the app, which is freely available from the App Store. If you have a login detail, your login email address or username will be provided here, and then your password here. On initial setup of the app, you will need to add in, if you have a ProRay Guardian account, the host IP and URL, which in our case is euloneworker.prorayguardian.com and connection port 9093. Then we hit save, and then we'll be given the option to enter our password. So I will very quickly enter our password now. So with our password input, then we can log in, and then we can see that we have one device connected via Bluetooth. It will now go looking for this device, and it's currently disconnected, but it will find it in the space of a couple of seconds, and we can see that live there. We are now seeing a live reading of the O2 levels on this device. So if I were to show this instrument some gas and reduce the oxygen levels, so using a can of my gas here, I will see a repeat signal on my app. The level is reducing, and as soon as we go into an alarm state, we can see that's repeated on the app. And that's the basic configuration of the Safety Communicator software. And as we can see, as it goes back up into a safe threshold, we're on a latching alarm, so if we press the button here, we can acknowledge the alarm, and we can acknowledge the alarm here. So if you want to add an additional unit onto the device, so I have another BW Solo here. This also works for BW Ultras or the new Icon and a variety of other devices. We can add additional devices, so we can have a look at the device list, and then we can look at the available device history. So we can see we have one paired device here, which happens to be this top unit, and then this bottom unit shows as an available device. So select that device. Are you connected to the same type device, but are you still going to connect to BW Solo? Yes, we are. So we want to see both devices. And then we're giving a pairing code of 789267 here. And then on this device, 789267. And we hit pair. And now this will go and talk. And then it will add the device on. So we are now given the option to pair another device on top of these two, or we can just select done. So for our purposes, we'll select done, and now we can see we have Solo 1 and Solo 2, and we can see the live readings off both those devices. Now if I were to put one of those devices into alarm again, we can see immediately it skips to the device in an alarm mode. As the unit increases, we can now acknowledge the alarm here, and it will show on here. We also, through the software, have an option to add a panic alarm. So if we were to raise a panic alarm, it means that people will be able to see our GPS coordinates based on our phone location, and also any gas levels here. So if our unit's going to gas alarm, or if we hit the panic button on our phone, now just disconnecting the units, we'll shut those down now. The other things we can do in the app is we can look at the things like our device lists. So this is giving me a warning that those two units are disconnected. We can acknowledge those alarms. That will also give the remote person an identification that your devices have been disconnected. So we can look at our general instrument settings, so again host IP and URL, check our firmware versions. We can look at any user settings, so this is about us and our organisation, and any phone numbers or change passwords, etc. And we can just see some general information about the Safety Communicator app. Should you require any technical information or further technical support, feel free to give us a call on 01489 326 031, or you can email us at info@safetymonitors.co.uk, or why not visit our website at www.safetymonitors.co.uk. Thanks for listening.